members. We have Kelly over here, we have Holly, and we have Shauna. And of course, working with me today is Indy and Coquina. These two ladies love to hang out with each other. Now, Indy is a very excited animal, likes to play around and join in on all the fun. Coquina came here to us from another facility with her brother. He is swimming around the pool system, so you'll see her half-brother around here somewhere as well. Now, of course, these are bottlenose dolphins. Because they are bottlenose dolphins means that they are one of the many species who relies on a healthy ocean to survive.
All living things across the planet rely on a healthy ocean to thrive. But today, the ocean has many places where animals and plants are struggling to survive because of pollution. One of the biggest forms of ocean pollution is the accumulation of plastics. Most of it is single-use plastics, items that people use